TypicalPlus. Plus. Does the name say? Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. I saw many of these items in SEBBY's laboratory. He has SEBBY's. No, he has his stuff. TypicalPlus. Come on, man. TypicalPlus. You can't do that. You can't do that. Bro. He showed me. Where is he? He's here. Bro. You have SEBBY stuff. No, he's a scammer. He's a scammer. He just, no. He's a scammer. He's a scammer. And he just unfriended me. I saw that too. Nah. You're gonna regret that. Typical scammer, you're gonna regret that. I low-key just recorded you. Nah, fam. Nah. You're gonna regret that, typical. I'm gonna, That's not okay. You can't stab. You can't scam people, bro. That's SEBBY stuff. If you guys go back and look at my videos, that's SEBBY stuff. You saw what he said? He said, I own your community. That's not okay. That's not okay. He scammed. He scammed. No. Typical Plus. I'm going to give you one more chance. I'm going to upload this video. And if you don't come to me, refriend me, and say you're going to give him back his items, I'll make sure that my fans give you the thumbs down. Because scamming, that's too much. Scamming someone's... You scammed his battle axe, his eternal cane, his elderwood revolver. You guys saw that. He had 2 of each. No, that's not okay. Lol, you're gonna regret that. Typical Plus. You're probably laughing, but my fans are gonna come after you. And you can unfriend me if you want to. I will link your user. So even if you change your username, my fans will still be able to find you. So you better give him his stuff back. Alright guys, no, that's too much. Hold on, let me find him right now. I have to hurry up before he completely like blocks me from viewing him. There we go. Well, not even my friend. You're gonna regret this. You're gonna regret this. No, you're gonna regret this, bro. I'm gonna upload this video. No. That's not cool. So the reason I did this was because Sebby actually told me that he had met someone who was gonna let him use SEER, and he gave him all this stuff, and it wasn't even to trade. It was for him just to use. But yeah, no, that's not okay. I'm definitely linking his user. Yeah, guys. So make sure to just no, this is not okay. That is not okay at all. Well, guys, please go after him. If you see him in your VIP server, I know you guys are my fans. Just call him out. You guys clearly saw that he literally unfriended me because he knows he's scammed, and that's not okay. Well, I'm gonna give a video soon, but please share this video.